I'm on a trip, I can't get off, can't get over. I want it all inside of you. I call you up, you're getting out from coming over. You're 21, I see your eyes, you're barely sober. I hear your voice, you're calling out for me to you. I pour a drink, you're moving quick, you're moving forward. And then you said no. Gonna be inside of you. And I said no. I'm never gonna see inside of you, because I know I'm gonna fall, and you'll be waiting for it all. Because I know I can't get inside of you, inside of you. It's like a train, it's headed nowhere. It never stops, and I can't see the exit sign. We're headed north, I see the cliff, we're getting closer. Look out, baby. So don't say that you just wanna run away. Replay all the things that I tried to say. I'm 21, so you're getting off from coming over. And then you said no. Gonna be inside of you. And I said no. I'm never gonna see inside of you, because I know I'm gonna fall, and you'll